Good afternoon, small business owners. Fred Campos here, episode 519 of your 333. Today I have a special guest, Jacob Restituto, and we're going to talk today about gratitude journals, business logs, and Google Sheets. More importantly, of tools to help improve your memory. Business tip number one, gratitude journal. If you don't know what that is, I've asked Mr. Jacob, who has used it in the past, to explain.
Absolutely, man. I appreciate you having me on, first of all. A gratitude journal is something I heard from a friend, and essentially every day this friend would go and look in her or write in her log what she's learned, the gratitude that something she's grateful for the day. So, for example, every day that before she go to bed, she'd say, "This is one great thing. This is another great thing that happened. This is something I'm grateful for this day," and it really helped find fuel. Like we so often get caught up in the stress of life, but when in reality, like, we can find the good moments in the days.
I think that's awesome. And I want to start doing that. It's something I've learned from you and something I've seen other people do. And I just think that would be an awesome thing to do because I think we get too caught up in the negative and we forget all the great things that God has done in our lives. Business tip number two is I keep a business log. Now, you might be thinking about this as like you would take notes if the phone would ring. I met a really good attorney who kept track of every single meeting he had, every single phone call he got, every deal he did, all his pricing quotes. And I've done that so often. I'm up to log number 11. I just keep this one physical notebook. I know it's actually physically writing it down. And I keep a log of everything that I'm dealing with. Business tip number three is I also use tons of Google Sheets. I don't try to keep everything in my head. I use Google Sheets to help me keep track of my customers, help me keep track of my sales goals. And these are really free, easy tools. And you can have them on your smartphone and look them up at any time. So that's what I'm learning today. Anything I learn, I throw over the fence to you. Special thanks to Jacob for being here. Now go back to sleep.